If you've ever wondered how to upload and display a PDF on your Google site, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so your visitors can view your PDF directly on your site without needing to download it. Let's get started. The first step is to upload your PDF to Google Drive. Simply open Google Drive, click the New button on the left, choose File Upload, and select your PDF. Once it's uploaded, you're ready for the next step. Now head over to your Google site in the editor. On the right-hand panel, click on the Insert tab. From there, select Drive. A pop-up window will appear showing your Drive files. Find the PDF you just uploaded, select it, and then click Insert. Your PDF will now appear right on your page. You can resize or move it just like any other element in Google Sites. The best part is that visitors to your site can view the PDF directly in their browser. No downloads required. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've embedded a fully functional PDF onto your Google site. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.